Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Chicago, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 6:05 p.m., winds were GUSTNG to about 60 miles per hour at DuPage Airport. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Wheaton, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Glendale Heights, St. Charles, West Chicago, Roselle, Bloomingdale, Warrenville, Winfield, Itasca, Wayne, DuPage Airport, and Medina, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A severe thunder